Forward. She's inside, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started as expected with reverse of gold. Break quick, let us start rushing about the outside his favorite. Chanel, then next on, let's count me in. Chocolate. Brownies in between horses, Prima Donna, then next online is Amazing Cut. Fighter in the Wind comes next, then followed now by Wishful Splendor, while Babes Magic is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the racing down the backstretch. We have the quick is striding reverse of gold on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead, and in second is favorite Chanel. Count me in is racing in third. Chocolate. Brownies is down in fourth alongside Prima Donna. Fighter in the Wind, Wishful Splendor, then comes Amazing Cut, while Babes Magic is still racing in less. Another 4 turn, we have reverse of gold by about 2 lengths. Favorite Chanel now trying to get closer in second. Chocolate. Brownies. Prima Donna comes next. Down on the inside, count me in. Wishful Splendor. Fighter in the Wind as they swing to home. We have reverse of gold is still in control. Then moving up now on the outside is Chocolate. Brownies, but it's the reverse of gold. Chocolate. Brownies now moves up to take the lead, and finally Chocolate. Brownies, reverse of gold, then comes Count Me In. Favorite Chanel, close with Wishful Splendor.
Okay, bayan, karelista for your race number 7. Ang ating pong unofficial winner. Entry number 7, that's Chocolate Brownies. Nakita niyo naman po ang ating numero 7 dyan.